Hi guys, good morning from Dakar, Senegal. So guys, in today's video I want to show you guys the construction going on in LIBERTE, the railway, the roundabout going on. I hope you like this video. So I'm in LIBERTE now. Let's show you guys around. LIBERTE down here to Granyo. So this roundabout going on. Yeah, why here is Mama. No. Hey, Mama. So this is the thrift market. So this is how the roundabout looks like by this side, the new construction roundabout. Bonjour. So this is how it looks like. Here used to be small streets. Here used to be small road markets, but because of this, so no one is in here again, as you can see. There is work going on here. So there is no one selling. They used to sell thrifts, very used stuff here, thrift shopping here, clothes, shoes and veggies. But because of the construction, they are just by this side. This is their new side of the market now. So that is it from here to Granyo. So this is how it looks like. This here they are selling their stuff now. It's very small. Just few are here again. They are not that much again. This is very early. Not up to, let's say, 7 o'clock. So that's why here is that quiet. They have not started coming. They have not started coming to sell their stocks. There are just few that are open. So this is how it looks like from here. Let me show you. So see price. So that is it. And here used to be garage. How they can pit, pick up stop their passenger and pick them up. But because of this, there's nothing going on here. And by this time, Saturday market, Sunday market. So that's why they are just by the roadside there, picking their passengers. So that is the situation going on here in LIBERTE. That is a roundabout by this side. There was work going on here yesterday, but because it's too early, it will still up very soon. This is by this side. So this needs to take it. And let's go. This thing is very far. It leads to so this is the railway. It leads to Sacred-Day. So it's very far. So till Gateway. So this car is next this July 30th, 2021. Hopefully very soon. Very soon. So this looks like. So that is it. And this place leads to there. And this place leads to Dakar. So this is how it look like. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, share. Thank you. That is it, the construction going on in the buses. I hope you like it. And hopefully very soon we'll be taking train to our destination, and it will reduce more traffic here. So guys, like, subscribe, comment, share.